Welcome back to the channel. In 2025, businesses need a payment processor that's reliable, global, and flexible. BlueSnap helps companies accept payments anywhere in the world. Let's break it down. BlueSnap supports credit cards, digital wallets, and local payment methods, all from one platform. It handles recurring billing, subscriptions, and fraud protection, giving businesses a seamless way to manage transactions. With detailed reporting and integrations with e-commerce platforms, BlueSnap helps teams track revenue, optimize payments, and scale globally without the usual headaches. BlueSnap makes global payment processing simple, secure, and efficient for businesses of all sizes. If you want a payment solution that works worldwide in 2025, BlueSnap gives you control, security, and flexibility. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews.